What are we doing today?
We are going to be installing Cusco bracing on a Subaru Impreza. This is how it will look.
Yes, and the process.
Alright, let's go. Cusco bracing. This is for chassis reinforcement. This is so like make the chassis more rigid, so there's it doesn't flex as much. That's what that's for.
So these should help the handling of the track and stuff?
Yeah, because it makes the car less prone to flex. So like if we start beating on our cars pretty hard, the chassis will actually kind of do this. This will help it from actually doing that, so it'll be nice and fast. So we got this side, and then we got this side, and then we got hardware, and then we got this one. This Japanese tape is crazy. Hardware bag, a tubey. So we got that. All right, let's lift up the car.
We got some parking, RT spaces.
Carefully. This thing is all like bent a little bit. I just hope that doesn't cause an issue. There's a bolt right next to the control arm. So, bolt there.
Oh, and this one right here.
So there. It comes with hardware, but I want to know exactly where they want me to use this hardware at. Let's see what we got. So this, I think this is supposed to cover a tube that's in there. And then we got these. I have an idea where these go. And then we have these, and then we got 4 washers. And then these fit here? Yeah, those fit here. I mean, there's 2 of each, so one will be for one side. Like that. And then there are only 2 washers. So one side I'll use these. Alright. Let me grab the tool to remove the bolts. So let's start with that one. That looks like a 17. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. A lot of metal. It's not good. See that? So someone probably had issues taking that or putting that bolt in. Oh yeah, this bolt is like
Strip?
Strip, but not yet. See that? So maybe that one can get replaced. Okay, so we got that one. And then this one.
What is that holding?
This one? The transmission as well, but there's 4 of them holding them, so it should be fun. Good. Okay. That one. And then that one. Nope. These are all different sizes.
That one's just holding the shield, right?
Oh, wait, the bitch.
What happened?
Yes, it's just holding the shield. Alright. So I guess this one is too short.
Oh, that's why it comes with hardware, no?
Maybe. That's a clue right there. Let's see what hardware we got. And we got... This looks too small. So does this one.
That one?
This one maybe. Yeah, maybe. so that makes sense. Sure. So I guess the hardware, it seems so far that it's for this one. And there's 2 other bolts, so I'm thinking this one and this one might have to get replaced too. We got this one over here. I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on it.
Is that the OEM bolt or that's
Yeah, but this one didn't come with that one.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so we'll put a little bit of anti-seize too.
So what is the point of ANSYS?
Anti-seize? To prevent it from seizing. So like if stuff gets rusted, this will stop it from doing that. And then it kind of helps like lubrication for the bolt to go in. Just a little bit. That's all you need. See, it gets everywhere. Anti-seize gets everywhere. Right, Casitas?
Yeah. Oh, for real?
So now, there. Always make sure stuff goes in like smoothly. Always use your hand first.
Oh, instead of going straight with the gun or
Yeah, that's how you mess stuff up. All right, so we got that one in, and then we need to do this one. This one should be fine. It looks like it's like right there, but this is the one.
You know what? You might have to use an adapter or something, like a spacer.
For this one,
Yeah.
I think if I tighten it,
Oh, it should
first I'm
pull
gonna
it.
tighten it, and I think it might like bring it down.
Oh, okay.
But I want to see if they used it from here or over here. Where's my Japanese papers at? Oh, they're over there. I'm gonna use this one. So the reason being is because it looks like it's in the picture. Alright, let me get the tool for this. And I put the extension to help me. You know what? This really seems like a how-to video. So we're going to remove this plastic. This plastic, we're not going to use it anymore. And then we're going to remove this one. This is where it's going to go through. So as you can see, there's no thread here.
Whoa.
But this bracket has the thread. So what we're gonna do is run it through here. Then there's the thread. Mira.
Oh. Cusco? Good job.
Good job, my boy. And now it doesn't reach. Yeah. Fuck. Alright. I just thought of an idea. So my idea. Tell me what you think of my idea.
Try it
I'm
now.
gonna stick my ratchet through here and then pull it down. My ratchet strap.
Oh, the strap. Yeah.
That was my first idea, so I'm gonna do it. So maybe this fits in here. No, it doesn't fit. Well, there you go. Oh, there you go. Okay.
I guess it works if you have a rack.
Yeah. So. Okay.
Oh no.
Kind of worked, but I'm starting to bend it a little bit. You know what? I'm going to tighten this one a little bit so it goes up. So it runs it up. So it'll get closer. Still doesn't reach. You see this circle mark? It almost looks like a circle. Someone used a jack there.
Somebody just.
Yeah, so usually cars come with pinch welds. So you kind of like lift it from here. See how there's like a gap right here?
Yeah.
See this gap? It's so that you can put your jack right here.
Oh, good. They are like. Let's just put it here.
Pretty much. No, it's not long enough. So, fine. So we'll actually need one that's a little bit longer. Okay, so we got a longer washer, and my idea is
A longer bolt.
Longer bolt. My idea is that if, as I tighten it, it'll kind of pull it back down. Can you push it up just a little bit?
This?
Yeah, that's it. That's right there. That's perfect. And there it is.
Nice.
Okay, so now we'll tighten the rest of them.
Overall, installation level?
1 through 10, probably like if you have all the tools, like kind of like I have, because it's on the lift, probably like a 2, 3.
Okay. Well, I mean, the fact that you have a lift makes it a lot easier.
If it's your home, like maybe 4.
More like 5. Alright. We were about to install the other brace, which goes on the driver's side of the car, but one of the bolts that holds the transmission bracket is actually stripped, so we are currently waiting for a kit to fix the tread. Hopefully that works. But yeah, the rear braces are on. That was a quick installation, just bolts that were already there. I think the guys used the new hardware that came in the kit.
So we're going to fix one of the threads on the frame. The threads are stripped. See it?
Right here?
Yeah.
Why do you think that happens?
Probably someone cross-threaded or didn't put it in right or something, or forced it in. See how I can push it in?
Yeah.
So we're gonna use a thread repair kit. We're basically gonna insert new threads into that hole. So step 1 is to drill the threads that are inside, the remaining threads, and it'll tell you right here which one to use. So this one is asking me to use a drill size of 31/64. So I already got the drill bit ready. Try to center it as best as you can. And then, whoops. I'm gonna go slow.
You should cover your eyes, maybe.
That's a good idea, actually. Is the battery good?
Learn from my mistakes.
Yeah. I'm looking into it and seeing the metal fall out.
Nice. I actually had to go to the hospital because I got something in my eye one time.
Safety first, before you do anything.
Yeah.
So we'll start with the smaller one first. Cool. So I started off with a 29/64. And the last bit that I'm going to use, it's going to be to prepare to use this tap. And the tap is the size of the new thread, at least the outside part. There it is. So now you can see almost all the threads are pretty much gone. Now then we use the supplied tap that came in the kit. And then this is gonna make the new threads to accept the insert. So we're gonna put a little bit of anti-seize just to catch the shavings, because it's gonna make new threads. Put a little bit. It's like so much. There. And then slowly, carefully, try to make it go in.
Rotate it?
As straight as you can. So it's pretty straight. Usually it'll kind of fix itself as you're going in more. What I like to do is, after I do a couple turns, I like to go back a little bit.
Why?
And then go forward again.
Oh.
Like sometimes it gets too hot if you keep going. I'm gonna remove it just to see how deep I went. See all the material. So almost, but it's going. So let me clean this off.
Oh, you can actually see the treads right there.
Let's put a little bit more juice. getting easier.
Oh, that means it's all the way in?
Yeah. So I'm gonna keep going just to keep cleaning, keep cleaning, keep cleaning. And now you have new threads. Check it out. Check it out.
This is a oh, okay.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. So now you gotta get the spring in there? The spring.
The insert.
Insert.
Yeah, so I'm gonna run it one more time. Just to
Clean it?
And I'm cleaning the tap every time I put it in there again. Just so you don't put the little slivers of metal back into the threads. Basically it goes in and it holds that tab, right? You just spin it back in, basically. So that grabs that tab at the end. So ahí va.
It's actually going in?
Yeah. And there you go, the new threads.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so the last step though is I gotta break that little tab that's inside. What ended up being just a simple brace install, and then we found that.
Yeah.
So you never know what's gonna happen.
Okay, so the Cusco bars are installed. What else are you gonna do?
Check the alignment. We're gonna check to see how the alignment sits.
This is how it looks. Looks pretty cool.
I gotta put the finishing touch though.
What is the finishing touch?
Hold on.
This is the hardest part of the job.
To be honest? Yes. Mira. Oh! Sick! Plus 5 horsepower.
Well, that concludes the Cusco under brace installation.
What have we learned?
Make sure you test fit it before you start it.
Wear safety goggles. And then, well, we kind of test fitted stuff anyways while we were trying to put it on.
It looks good. It looks cool.
Yay! Now let's see what they land.